Now we'll take care of the back. We will prepare the patient for this. Insert a portion of sheet under the underwear and then fold the sheet. Apply the oil. Do not forget to apply on our hand and somewhere above the sheet. Do not drip. It's a very unpleasant sensation if the oil will drip on the patient. He will be startled, and everything we have obtained, the relaxation that we wish to achieve, can be ruined with a drop of oil randomly fallen. It is good to avoid such situations. Apply as much oil as needed. Do not apply too much, so that the hands do not slip too much. We don't apply too little because we can't work. I applied the oil. Now follows the beginning of the story or art of the bilateral effleurage. On the paravertebral, on the shoulders and back, always when we go up, use higher pressure. When we come back down, use lower pressure. Look at how I move around the patient. It's kind of a dance that we do, okay? I bend my knee, but my body weight is there. Or better said, my body position is there, where my hands are. In this way, I will apply pressure from the body. Don't forget your hands need to be there. I was saying, how important is the touch? To be there with every particle of our hands, okay? About 10 times. Then a tree-like effleurage. I used to say that massage is an art. So we draw the branches, 2, 3, 4, and return with a light effleurage again with 1, 2, and 3, and 4. We consider that we have warmed the back, or if it is not warm enough, we make another effleurage. In the form of a ring, we have warmed the back enough, we cover the part we are not working on, and we focus on the gluteal area. Here we have a small portion in the sacral area. And we'll perform a thumb friction massage in the area of the sacral bone. We didn't move much. In practice, we uncover the patient a little more. Now we haven't uncovered him very much to protect the privacy. Then follows a cross fiber. A passage over the muscles with a few fingers. The same on the other side. So a friction with the thumbs and a cross fiber. And we have another maneuver here. A saw. How is it, Christy? Is it good? Let's have a sacroiliac pressure on both sides. For about 10 seconds, we feel some holes there, like that. We press for 10 seconds. We continue with the gluteal area, the buttocks. We apply the oil. A heating, alternating effleurage. Next, the content. Palm friction. Friction with the fist. Here we have generous muscles. Do this from a distance. Or we can go to the other side. We do some kind of kneading, but it's still friction. This maneuver is very good. Don't forget, we are working from the body pressure. And now with the fingers. Thumb friction. Thumb rubbing in a ray. Over the buttocks. Gluteus minimus, medius, and maximus. And there follows cross fiber, crossing the muscles. This transition is very important, both when we go down and when we go back up, if we get used to it. After we get used, we can make a transition over the muscles with vibration. Especially when we go back, this movement is even more efficient. When we go back, yes, the movement jerks. Good. We'll do the same on the other side. We'll move on to the lumbar area. We uncover the surface we are working on and wrap with what we have worked. In this way, we keep the warmth. At the same time, the intimacy. We apply the oil again, and even if we applied it at the beginning, it was absorbed into the skin. It is a good oil that protects the skin. It's not a problem. And now we heat this area with what maneuvers? Two maneuvers. Either through a rhombus. We draw a rhombus. I said it's an art. We take the pen and draw a rhombus. Or we draw an 8. Figure 8. In fact, what we are looking for with this maneuver, to warm up this area and follow the muscle configuration. We refer in particular to the lumbar square. We are warmed up, and now we're going to perform a friction with all our fingers. We are going to start with the iliac spine. Here the lumbar square is inserted. Then we will feel it under our fingers somewhere, near the spine, and we will pass by close to it. We will feel somewhere the C12 rib, the immobile rib. Be careful not to press hard and cause trouble. Christy, is it okay? Yes, it isn't too hard. Isn't too soft. Is it good? Do you feel relaxed? Is the position also good? Yes, good. This movement is very important. With all the fingers, friction, round, 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 round. Counterclockwise or clockwise. Depends on which side we're on. Now follows the thumb friction, or rather cross fiber. Friction with the thumbs on the lumbar square muscles. We also press when we go down, but from the body, not only from the hand and when we turn back, with one hand and the other. This way we do not get tired. Usually if I go up and work on the right side, I will work on with the left hand, and when I go down, I will work with my right hand. Then we repeat the same thing on the other side, and after I worked both sides, follows another friction, called alternation, with the palm, again from the body. To do this, we have to do the lunges on one leg and the other. We finish the lumbar area. We cover it, and now we reveal only a part of the back that we will work on.
Hey, thanks for watching this presentation. My name is Bill, and I'm the voice behind this video. If you've not already subscribed to our channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button. You'll get a notification bell every time we upload a new video. And if it's not too difficult, give us a like as well. This ensures that we'll keep being able to bring you great content, and you'll get to hear me more. Leaving comments is also appreciated, and it helps us to know if we're meeting your educational needs.